Whether you are new to selling on Amazon or already running an established business, knowing how to find profitable products is the key to your business success. In this quick guide, you will learn how to use Helium 10's Black Box and Trendster tools to uncover great opportunities, avoid seasonal pitfalls, and make confident product decisions. If you would like to try Helium 10 for yourself and see what tools they offer, check out the link to them in the video description and use the discount code ORANGE10 to get 10% off their monthly plans in case you decide to subscribe to their service.
Hey Amazon sellers! My name is Nikki from Orange Klik. Welcome to today's video where we're going to break down exactly how you can find profitable products using Helium 10's Black Box and Trendster tools. If you're a beginner, this video is for you. We're taking out all the guesswork and showing you step by step how to find winning products that can help you build your Amazon business with confidence. So, open up your Helium 10 account and let's dive right in. First, let's cover the basics. Black Box. Think of Black Box as your Amazon product research engine. It filters through millions of Amazon products and shows you ones that fit your specific criteria, like monthly sales, price, number of reviews, and more. It's like having an Amazon superpower that eliminates all the guesswork. Then there's the Trendster tool. This tool helps you analyze historical sales data. It shows you if a product sales are consistent or if they're just seasonal spikes. This way, you avoid products that only do well for a short time. The benefits of using these tools for beginner Amazon sellers is that you will avoid wasting time on products nobody wants. You will steer clear of products that sell well only during certain times of the year, and you will feel way more confident when picking products to sell. Now that you know what these tools do, let's jump into the real action. Alright, we're inside Black Box tool. You'll see several tabs here like products, keywords, competitors, niche, and product targeting tabs. We're going to go through each one and explore how you can use them effectively. For the products tab, this is your main starting point. You input specific filters, and Black Box will search Amazon's entire catalog for products that fit. For category selection, choose categories you are interested in. For price range, set a range that gives you a healthy profit margins. For the monthly revenue and sales, filter for minimum sales volume to ensure demand. And for reviews, limit to low review counts to avoid heavily saturated markets. An example filter for home and kitchen category would be an under 500 review counts per month, 2 shipping sizes of small standard and large standard, and a maximum weight of 3 pounds. The fulfillment should be Amazon FBA, and price range should be between $25 to $40. A minimum of 7,000 monthly ASIN revenue and a minimum of 200 ASIN sales units per month. We will be able to narrow down thousands and thousands of products under this niche, and we will be able to see these products here. And we can see these Cruise rolling knife sharpener, and this one titanium cutting board, and charred wooden bourbon drinking glass, and this one as well, wide mouth sourdough jar starter kit, 33 ounce. You can already see the volume of sales that these ASINs are currently having based on the different metrics Helium 10's Black Box tool is showing to us right now. And what's good about this, or why is it attractive, these products fall within low to moderate competition due to low review counts. Price range allows healthy profit margins after FBA fees. Weight and size make shipping costs manageable, and the monthly revenue shows strong consistent demand. For niche opportunities, premium kitchen accessories are way to go. Unique drinkware or specialty hobby items like sourdough starters, which appeal to passionate audiences. The key takeaway here is using specific filters will help you narrow down to products with low competition, proven demand, and strong margins. Ideal for beginners who want safer entry points. A second example of another set of filters would be just to change the price range from 25 to 40 to now 40 to 60. again with low reviews and consistent demand throughout the year. The results, we were able to find two profitable products, which is the wooden whiskey glasses set of two and smart water bottle with reminder to drink water. This smart water bottle is essentially a saturated market right now, but this is another unique selling point that nobody else is trying to offer right now. So it's a smart water bottle, which means it will remind you to drink water every single time you need it to. Why it works? Premium price point opens up better profitability. Low review count means you can compete faster without needing hundreds of reviews. Year-round appeal, both whiskey glasses and smart water bottles aren't tied to seasonality. And for differentiation potential, unique design, bundled gift packaging, or upgraded features like reminders to drink are your best unique selling points. The key takeaway here is higher ticket items with consistent demand, low competition, and strong branding opportunities give you room to scale profitably. Now, we move on to the keywords tab. Unlike products tab, this one starts from what shoppers are actually searching for. This is great because search volume reflects demand directly. With filters applied, let's go with search volume at least 2,000 monthly searches, and monthly revenue a minimum of $7,000, and for sales price a minimum of $25, and review a maximum of 500, review count, a word count of maximum of 4, category is in kitchen and dining. For shipping size tier, we will select small standard and large standard sizes. And for the maximum variation count, we will just add 5. For monthly unit sales, 300 or more. And a listing age of maximum of 36 months or 3 years. And a competing products of less than 1,000. And with these filters, we narrow down millions of keyword search phrases and discover real product opportunities. For example, could be this matcha station. This is a niche home decor or tea making accessory. Another low competition product. It serves a passionate audience, which is matcha lovers, and a chance to create a premium giftable item with strong branding potential. Another product that we have seen here is the egg washer. The niche is farm-to-table backyard chicken hobbyists. The opportunities for this niche market is it serves growing niche of hobby farmers and homesteaders. There's low competition, again, and the opportunity to create durable, efficient models for small-scale egg producers. The key takeaway here is that the Keywords tab allows you to tap directly into actual shopper demand while using data filters to ensure you target niches with strong revenue potential, low saturation, and specific growing audiences. For beginner Amazon sellers, this approach helps find product opportunities that aren't oversaturated and allows you to differentiate through bundling, branding, and features, reducing risk while maximizing profitability in today's Amazon landscape. Now we move on to Competitors tab. Now let's talk about one of my favorite tools, spying on your competition. The Competitors tab allows you to reverse engineer successful sellers by analyzing their product catalog. This gives you valuable insights into their top-performing products, related items they're selling, and pricing strategies you can potentially beat or improve. Let's walk through an example together. We want to search within the camping gear must-haves niche. First, we use Helium 10's X-ray tool while browsing Amazon search results to identify which products are generating the highest revenue. One strong seller we spot is a mosquito repellent bracelet listing that's bringing in big monthly sales. We copy the ASIN of the product and paste it into Competitors tab. And now we apply these filters. We will apply the sports and outdoors for the category, a minimum of 7,000 monthly ASIN revenue, review count of less than 500, shipping tier size of small standard and large standard size. Fulfillment is FBA, and the weight is a maximum of 3 pounds. The products we discover under this competitor's catalog include mosquito repellent pouches. The main product was mosquito repellent bracelet, and the related products that we see from our filter is the mosquito repellent pouches. The related products could be also the entire line of outdoor mosquito control products, catering to different buyer needs, home patio users, campers, and travelers. We can also add in a product of mosquito repellent for patio and mosquito repellent for outdoors. Why this is powerful? We see that these sellers is not just selling one hero product but has expanded into complementary products. The review count is still very manageable for a new seller to compete, and products are lightweight, easy to ship, and perfect for bundling. There's an opportunity to enter this space with unique differentiation, offering refill packs, natural ingredients, multi-packs, or premium packaging. The key takeaway for the competitor tab is that the competitors tab lets you ethically spy on winning sellers and uncover product ecosystems. As a beginner Amazon seller, this gives you instant product line expansion ideas in niches that have already proven customer demand, while still finding gaps you can exploit to stand out. Now let's go to the niche tab. This tab shows clusters of products that fit within a niche performing well together. For the revenue range, target moderate performers. For review count, focus on listings with less than 500 reviews, a minimum selling price of $25, and again with the shipping size tiers, we have the small standard size and the large standard size. We also select in the advanced filters for FBA sellers and a minimum of 7,000 ASIN revenue monthly. The product that we have seen here is these cat window perch beds. For the products found, we can see that these cat window perch glow-in-the-dark foldable cat hammock with sunken design and removable soft cover. The unique selling point here is the glow-in-the-dark feature plus the foldable design. It is novelty and practicality combined. The next product we found is the cat window perch, cordless foldable cat window hammock with removable soft cover for indoor cats, resting seat for inside. The unique selling point here is cordless safety feature and multi-pack bundle offer more value. The next product we saw is this cat window perch, cat window hammock, soft and comfortable window seat bed with washable cover, simple install and easy clean. The unique selling point here is the easy install and simple clean. Strong appeal for your busy pet owners. The next product we see under the cat window perch is this cat hammock bed for cats inside, soft seat machine washable, solid wood frame, foldable with 4 suction cups. This unique selling point here is solid wood frame suggests durability and premium quality. Another product here is cat window perch with wooden frame, foldable cat hammock, breathable sandwich mesh cover. The unique selling point here is the breathable mesh for comfort and foldable for easy storage. And lastly, another product that we have seen is the 2-piece heavy-duty cat window perch, holds up to 50 pounds, foldable cat window hammock. So the unique selling point here is targeting the heavy-duty weight capacity, appeals to a wider range of cat sizes. Why these products are attractive? Reviews are under 500, it means that it's still approachable for a beginner to compete. Earning more than $7,000 per month shows healthy demand, and a wide range of features across competitors opens space for further differentiation. Another is easy entry-level product size and weight for new sellers. And lastly, pet owners are loyal repeat buyers. This niche continues to grow over the years. Another type of product could be slow feeder dog bowls. The problem-solving niche for this product is it solves the problem of pets eating too fast. Multiple differentiation angles can be different materials like stainless, silicone, and plastic. Another one is sizes for different dog breeds and creative maze patterns to slow feeding. Another is bundling potential. Pair with elevated feeders or portable travel bowls. The key takeaway here is that the niche tab allows beginners to spot thriving product clusters where competition is still manageable. Demand is proven and differentiation is possible. By analyzing existing listings' unique features, you can position your product with better functionality, design, or bundling, giving you a strategic entry into profitable evergreen niches. Now with the product targeting tab, this tab helps you identify products often bought together. It's ideal for upselling, cross-selling, or developing bundles. Find complementary products, spot frequently bought together items. Jumping on the cat window perch product, again with the X-ray, we will able to see an overview of this niche market and then see which ASINs are performing the best with the highest review count. We take those 10 top ASINs and copy it right here. We will set the filters to a minimum of $7,000 for the ASIN revenue and a minimum selling price of $25. Max review count is 1,000 and the source is frequently bought together. We should target other material for this product and other designs to differentiate. The product one that we have seen is the cat window perch, cordless, foldable, and stable cat beds, breathable hammock for overlooking, sunbathing, and climbing. It can hold up to 40 pounds, and with 531 review count and more than 7,000 reviews, it is targeting heavier set of cats. Another product that we have seen is the cat wall shelves, stable and safe. 4-in-1 cat furniture set, wooden climbing wall with scratching post for 16-inch drywall. The takeaway here is if you already have a product idea, product targeting helps you expand your offer and increase average order value. Now that we have identified some great product opportunities using Black Box keywords, competitors, niche, and product targeting, it's time to put them under the microscope with Trendster. First, let's load up that cat window perch beds we found earlier. Add in 4 top ASINs with highest review count from X-Ray. Very easy to copy and paste here, plus up to 4 keywords that best describes this product. We can extract these top keywords as well using Helium 10's Com extension tool X-Ray keywords. Analyze for year-round consistency and avoid products with sales only spiking around certain holidays or events. We'll pull in 12 months of sales data and keyword data, and what we want to see here is consistent demand across the entire year. If sales are steady month after month, that tells us that this product isn't just a seasonal hit, it's an evergreen product. In this case, we're seeing solid and consistent sales and keyword trend throughout the year, a great sign for long-term profitability. The key takeaway here is that Trendster helps you verify if your product will bring steady sales or only temporary success. It's your risk reduction tool. If you're serious about succeeding on Amazon, Helium 10 is an absolute game changer. And to make it even better, you can get a special discount using our exclusive Orange Klik coupon code, that's Orange10, to get 10% off any Helium 10 monthly plan, or go even bigger with Orange 6M20 for 20% off your first 6 months. You'll find all the details in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop some good vibes in the comments. Hit that like button, share, and of course, subscribe to Orange Klik YouTube channel for more Amazon FBA tips. This is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to discover profitable products and validate their sales trends using Helium 10's tools. And if you want to try these tools for yourself, you can find the sign-up link and the discount code Orange10 in the video description below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, in order to get notifications about weekly videos we upload to our YouTube channel. And if you have additional comments or questions about the video tutorial you just watched, leave them in the questions section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to find best keywords for your Amazon product using Helium 10 Cerebro tool. So check this out.